Hey guys, Chris Fix here. If you own a Mazda CX-5 and that electronic parking brake EPB warning light just popped up, don't worry. You're in the right place. That EPB light can be alarming, but it's often something you can fix yourself at home. No dealership visit needed. I'll show you two easy reset methods, one for random glitches and one for when the light comes on after a battery change. No special tools needed, just a few minutes and some patience. Let's get started and turn that EPB light off. The electronic parking brake, or EPB, in your Mazda CX-5 is a button on the center console that electronically controls the rear brakes. No more pulling a lever. EPBs are convenient, but because they rely on electronics, they can sometimes malfunction, especially after a battery change, voltage drop, or a software glitch. Warning signs include the amber EPB light, a malfunction message, or the brake not engaging or releasing properly. Usually a quick reset will fix the issue and clear the warning lights. Next, we'll show you how to do it yourself. Before you start, safety first. Park your Mazda on a flat, level surface, never on a slope. Chalk the rear wheels with blocks or wheel chocks to prevent rolling. Put the car in park or first gear for manuals. Turn the ignition on, but keep the engine off. You want the electronics awake, not the engine running. Double check everything. Flat ground, wheels chalked, ignition on. These steps keep you and your car safe while you work. Ready? Let's reset that EPB. Let's dive into how to reset your electronic parking brake, or EPB. Whether you've had a glitch or just changed your battery, these quick resets can save you a trip to the shop. First, the manual method. Buckle up, turn the ignition to on. Don't start the engine, just light up the dash. Press and hold the brake pedal. Hold the EPB switch down for 5 seconds, then pull up and hold for 5 more. Release the switch. You might hear the brake motors recalibrating. Turn the ignition off, then back on. If the EPB warning light is gone, you're set. For battery changes, start the engine. Hold the EPB switch down until the warning light flashes. Release, then pull up and hold until the light turns off. That's it. Your EPB is reset. If the warning light stays on, don't worry. We'll cover more solutions next. If the warning light won't go away after both resets, the issue might be more serious, like a faulty switch, wiring, or a stuck caliper. At this point, a basic OBD2 scanner can help, but a pro-level scan tool is best for reading EPB codes. If you don't have one, or the problem points to hardware, it's time to see a mechanic or Mazda dealer. Knowing when to call in a pro is smart. Brakes are critical for safety. You've done the right troubleshooting steps, and that's a win. For more DIY car fixes, check out my other guides. Thanks for watching. Drive safe.